One of the biggest myths I still hear, even from other holistic doctors or providers, is that allergenic foods should be delayed or introduced one at a time, days or weeks apart. What I learned was that we were supposed to introduce solid foods, that means complementary foods, so not just breast milk, but introduce solid foods to infants, waiting at least 6 months. The thought was, babies don't have the ability to digest food protein particles or solid foods really in general until at least 6 months of age. And the prevailing theory at that time was to actually wait on introducing potentially allergenic foods as one of the last foods being introduced. The evidence has completely changed about this. And the biggest study that came out several years ago was called the LEAP study. It was a landmark study that really controlled for when children were exposed to peanut products. And what they found was that infants who were at the highest risk of peanut allergies, especially those with severe eczema or egg allergy, were identified, and then they were randomized to either avoid peanut exposure or to consume early peanut products very early. And what they found was that early introduction to peanut products actually reduced the risk of severe peanut allergies by 5 years of age.